Hello everybody, Quick Tech here, and today we're going to be going over something that annoys most people. So, in many video games, left shift on your keyboard is a very important tool, a very important key. So, on Windows 10, sometimes, if you click it a few times, it'll make that weird sound, and do you want to turn on sticky keys? So, if you're wondering how to turn this off, if you click no, it will not do anything, and it'll still appear back up. So disable this keyboard shortcut in ease of access keyboard settings. Just click on that, it's as simple as that. So now here, you are brought to settings to the ease of access section. Now go to keyboard if you're not there already. So now, go to use sticky keys. All you have to do is the weird check mark. Do not click on and off, that will change around a lot of stuff that will probably not be helpful unless you know what you're doing. So allow this shortcut key to start sticky keys. Just turn that off. So now, whenever you're playing video games, it will not make that weird, annoying sound, and yeah, you get the point. So thanks everyone for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.